This is what I wanted to show you craft-wise that I got today. There was two things that I just wanted to try them out and see how they get on. This is a little flower decorating kit. Now basically I was thinking to myself about making some molds, and I thought, okay, well this is useful. So this is clay that's been made out of a mold, and I've got the still okay. It's the mold making silly gum. Is it silly gum? Anyway, basically you mix the two parts. Just had to make sure they were usable, because I had some before and it dried out, and it really did grieve me because they're not cheap. It's £24. So I saw these flowers and I thought that would make a really nice mould. And so if I look at the best one, I think it's this one, although it's got a bit cut out there. This is just clay, actually. I'll use that one, and you can decorate it. It's flower decoration. What does it say? It is flower decoration kit. Oh, you can create a magnet as well, so this must be the magnet. Yep, that you would stick on the back. So you can create a fridge magnet, or you can hang it. Now, so what I'm going to show you is how I would take something like this and make a mold from it. This thing is really good, and it reacts really quickly. So after I've made a mold, what you then can do, I mean, this cost £1 at the pound store, but once you've made the mold, you've got, you can make as many of these as you want. And it also comes with just some paint that you can use. So I guess it's water-based paint, so it's not going to go to waste. And then some string, and that's the magnet, and a little cheap brush. Okay, so what I'm going to do quickly is show you how I would make the mold from this. You can get this from your craft store. Oh, I've still got some left over from another one, have I? Oh no, this was the one, the bit to this was the one that, was the one that dried out. You have to be so careful with them that you seal them back properly. Okay, so what I'm going to do is take equal parts of This looked like it was on its way out. Okay, I'm going to put that back, because literally once you've mixed them, they just turn quite quickly. Okay, so I've used equal parts of both, and I'm just mixing it, so just squeezing it, conditioning it as you would if you were using you know, the polymer clay, and until you get an even colour. And then I'm shaping it so that it's going to then fit round. Which one did we decide to use? We decided to use this one. Okay, so I want it to cover as much as possible. I'm going to flatten it down a bit, and then all I'm going to do is I've pressed it around the shape, and that's literally all you do. So I pressed it around the shape like that, and we're just going to wait. It takes about 5 minutes. Just want to make sure that it's all around.